Is everyone ready? Oh. Okay.
Kind of weird.
Why?
Okay.
Thank you. Chloe, close your computer.
When I'm gonna be at night in that plane in Florida.
Where are you going?
To Florida tonight.
Tonight?
Yes.
Huh?
Like
Let me see. Why? You don't want to eat it? Okay. Thank you. Here or here?
just trying to get my keychain there. Then I thought that it was a necklace that has a circle right here. There's
Okay.
but like in the middle of the night,
Mm-hmm.
my watch there.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh. Okay.
Cause like, and it's small. And that is correct.
True. What's that? Thank you.
That's mine.
No.
How about say? I wonder.
What this? You're welcome. What? Yeah, I know. Thank you. Huh? I like it. Thank you. Alright? Alright, close now. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
At practice, a girl accidentally kicked her in the leg. Then she rolled her to like cut.
Okay.
And then she didn't.
Mm.
And mom said that she had a rest
Okay.
in the picture.
Mm. Okay.
Then my sister accidentally.
I can't breathe. Thank you. Alright, let's read from this out loud. So if you get stuck, I will tell you the words, so you do your best, okay? Start here and don't skip the line. Begin.
A puppy needs love and care just like a.
Alright, so I'm going to read some sentences and I want you to repeat them back to me. Make sure you say exactly what I say. Here is the first sentence. The girl in the field was playing her guitar.
The girl in the field was playing the guitar.
Kathy is throwing her ball.
Kathy is throwing her ball.
Good job. Perfect. See? You got it perfect. Oh, you want me to open? Perfect. Let's try some more. Okay? Say the girl jumped from the top of the steps.
The girl jumped on the top of the steps.
I think he's at work.
I think he's at work.
Okay, open it. Yes. Oh, really?
Yes. No other instructions.
Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna pack it up like that. I don't know why.
Okay. Here.
Oh.
What's next?